Welcome to English Listening Practice. Today, we're going to focus on some key phrases you can use at the hospital. Let's get started. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Please call a doctor right away. Please call a doctor right away. Please call a doctor right away. There's been an accident. There's been an accident. There's been an accident. He is unconscious. He is unconscious. He is unconscious. She is bleeding. She is bleeding. She is bleeding. Where is the registration desk? Where is the registration desk? Where is the registration desk? Can I make an appointment, please? Can I make an appointment, please? Can I make an appointment, please? I have an appointment at 2:30. I have an appointment at 2:30. I have an appointment at 2:30. I need to cancel my appointment. I need to cancel my appointment. I need to cancel my appointment. Can I reschedule, please? Can I reschedule, please? Can I reschedule, please? Is my doctor available? Is my doctor available? Is my doctor available? Here is my ID and insurance card. Here is my ID and insurance card. Here is my ID and insurance card. Is this covered by insurance? Is this covered by insurance? Is this covered by insurance? Can you help me fill out this form? Can you help me fill out this form? Can you help me fill out this form? Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. What medications are you taking? What medications are you taking? What medications are you taking? I feel sick. I feel sick. I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. I'm coughing a lot. I'm coughing a lot. I'm coughing a lot. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. My back hurts. My back hurts. My back hurts. I'm having chest pain. I'm having chest pain. I'm having chest pain. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I feel weak. I feel weak. I feel weak. I have pain in my shoulder. I have pain in my shoulder. I have pain in my shoulder. It hurts a lot. It hurts a lot. It hurts a lot. The pain is sharp. The pain is sharp. The pain is sharp. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. It hurts when I move. It hurts when I move. It hurts when I move. It hurts here. It hurts here. It hurts here. I feel worse than before. I feel worse than before. I feel worse than before. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? How long have you been feeling this way? How long have you been feeling this way? How long have you been feeling this way? I feel better now. I feel better now. I feel better now. Where is the emergency room? Where is the emergency room? Where is the emergency room? Where can I find a nurse? Where can I find a nurse? Where can I find a nurse? How do I get to the pharmacy? How do I get to the pharmacy? How do I get to the pharmacy? Do I need to fast before the test? Do I need to fast before the test? Do I need to fast before the test? Can you explain the procedure? Can you explain the procedure? Can you explain the procedure? What should I do if I feel worse? What should I do if I feel worse? What should I do if I feel worse? What should I do to get better? What should I do to get better? What should I do to get better? Can I have some pain medicine? Can I have some pain medicine? Can I have some pain medicine? Is this medicine for pain? Is this medicine for pain? Is this medicine for pain? I'll prescribe some medication. I'll prescribe some medication. I'll prescribe some medication. Take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. Do I need surgery? Do I need surgery? Do I need surgery? Do I need to take any medicine? Do I need to take any medicine? Do I need to take any medicine? Do I take this before or after meals? Do I take this before or after meals? Do I take this before or after meals? Should I take it with food? Should I take it with food? Should I take it with food? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? Finish all the medicine. Finish all the medicine. Finish all the medicine. I need to refill my prescription. I need to refill my prescription. I need to refill my prescription. How long do I need to take the medicine? How long do I need to take the medicine? How long do I need to take the medicine? Please lie down on the bed. Please lie down on the bed. Please lie down on the bed. I will take your temperature. I will take your temperature. I will take your temperature. Don't eat before the test. Don't eat before the test. Don't eat before the test. Don't drive after taking this. Don't drive after taking this. Don't drive after taking this. Do I need any tests? Do I need any tests? Do I need any tests? What should I do after discharge? What should I do after discharge? What should I do after discharge? When is my next appointment? When is my next appointment? When is my next appointment? How should I care for my wound? How should I care for my wound? How should I care for my wound? What time is my next checkup? What time is my next checkup? What time is my next checkup? That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and feel more confident with these phrases. Keep practicing and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.